Hello! Kids Box 4, Unit 1, Lesson 1. Let's learn the vocabulary words. Boring. Boring. The movie is boring. Quick. Quick. He is a quick runner. Exciting. Exciting. The game is exciting. Busy. Busy. My mom is busy today. Careful. Careful. She is very careful. Difficult. Difficult. This test is difficult. Easy. Easy. The question is easy. Slow. Slow. The turtle is slow. Terrible. Terrible. The weather is terrible. Let's learn this additional language too. Pottery. Pottery. She makes beautiful pottery. Bowl. Bowl. I eat rice from a bowl. Brave. Brave. The firefighter is brave. What do you like at school? I like sport because it's exciting. That's it. Thank you. Goodbye.